Welcome back to East Coast UK. Today join me at St Peter's Court Flats in Lowestoft, which is earmarked for demolition. So before they do go, we thought we'll actually fly up over the top of it a couple of times. And then afterwards we'll go across to nearby Gulliver, which is the wind turbine just there. I can't zoom any more better than that, I don't think. Oh, there we are. Sorry, there we are. That's a bit better. And across to Gulliver over there. It's obviously still in line of sight from where I am, so that's quite handy. Right, okay. Catch you up at the end. Bye-bye for now. filming all done. We took up the Mini 2 SE today, because it obviously densely populated area, and we flew up on the left hand side there of the flats, then we went over the top, and then we came back on the opposite side, and then, as I said at the beginning of the intro, we go across to Gulliver, the wind turbine over there, and just get some aerial footage of him as well. Not in motion, but obviously you don't know if the blades suddenly start rotating, so we'd obviously kept away from them just in case they started going. Right, hope you enjoyed that content. Like, comment, subscribe, you know the jazz. Bye bye for now.